Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to remove friends in Hearthstone game. To remove a friend or to clean up your friend list on Hearthstone, first of all go ahead and open up the Hearthstone game on your PC or your mobile device. Now from the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on the little arrow right next to your username. There you will be able to see list of options, tap on remove friends and then select a friend from your list that you'd like to delete. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping confirm and the selected or the chosen friend will be permanently removed from your friend list. That is how you get to easily delete your friend from your friend list on Hearthstone. Once deleted, you can always re-add them later using their battle tag if you change your mind. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.